how to download, install, and license ActiveReportsJS. To begin, you will want to go to developer.meshius.com/ActiveReportsJS. From here, click Download Free Trial. This will take you to our Downloads landing page, where you can enter your business email, select your operating system, and download your free trial. With that completed, open the downloaded zip file. This folder contains the required files for installing the ActiveReportsJS Standalone Designer and for installing ActiveReportsJS in your application. Open the Designer folder and run the ActiveReportsJS Designer installer. This will open the Designer setup window, where you can enter the users for whom you want to install the designer and the location where you'd like to install it. When the installation is complete, you can launch the designer. Returning to the Download folder, it also contains dist and styles folders, which contain the JavaScript and CSS files required for ActiveReportsJS to be used in a web application. You will want to copy these folders into your project. With the files included in the project, they can now be referenced, and the license key can be applied to the application. To apply the license, import the ActiveReportsJS core JavaScript file, which will grant the ability to call the license key method. Simply place the trial key here, which will license this application to use ActiveReportsJS. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. To learn more about ActiveReportsJS, check out our demos at developer.meshius.com/ActiveReportsJS/demos.